Hey Ella, Christina, and Sophia. Here's a little bit of a quick mini lesson on how to solve this problem. You'll notice this is the same problem that we solved today during class, but I want to review it with you and give you some strategies. Okay, so the first thing, we're using MTV. We're going to show our thinking with a tape diagram. You want to read the question and underline the important parts. Okay, so I'm going to read it out loud. I'm going to underline the important parts. If you're solving it in a notebook at home, you want to write down the important parts. Okay, so the first thing is that 3/4 of the boats in the marina are white. So I'm going to underline 3/4 are white. I might even write the number 3/4 above the words so that's easier to understand. Then I'm going to underline that 4/7 of the remaining boats are blue. That word remaining is super important. And the rest are red. If there are 9 red boats, how many boats are in the marina? I'm going to circle that and point to the question. I want to figure out how many boats are in the marina. Okay, so I'm going to show my tape diagram. So the first step is drawing the tape diagram. Okay, then I have to ask myself the question, what does the tape diagram represent? In this case, I'm trying to figure out how many boats are in the marina. So that whole tape diagram represents boats in the marina. Okay, next step, how am I going to partition this? I see 3 numbers. I see 3/4, 4/7, and 9. Which one should I use? Okay, well, I shouldn't use 4/7 because 4/7 is telling me the remaining. So first something has to be remaining before I can do something with it. And it says the rest are red, and it gives me the number 9. But that word rest also kind of means like remaining. So first I'm going to use the 3/4 because I know that 3/4 or 3/4 of the boat in the marina are white. So I'm going to partition my tape diagram into fourths. I'm going to shade in 3 to show 3/4. I'm going to label that white, even though I'm writing in pink. Okay, now I only have this one little section left. Okay, and I'm going to write remaining. Now, I can't really partition the remaining, so I'm going to do like a zoom in like we see in books sometimes. So I'm going to draw that out. Okay, so now I'm dealing with the remaining. I know that 4/7 of the remaining boats are blue. So I'm going to partition that into 7ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I know that 4 out of those 7 are going to be blue. Which means the rest have to be red. Okay? I know that those red boats, the red boat, I know that there are 9 of them. Okay? That's 9 boats. Well, if I'm looking, there are 3 pieces. So I need to think to myself, how can I equally split 9 into 3 equal parts? Well, I know that 3 times 3 equals 9. I know that 3 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So each piece is going to be equal to 3. Now that I know that each part equals 3, I know that this is 3, and this one's 3, that one's 3, and this one's 3. So now I know that whole piece is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 3s. So I'm going to give you a minute to try to figure out how much 7 3s is. Did you get it? Yeah, it's 21. So that whole piece of the remaining boats is equal to 21. If I know this piece is equal to 21, then I also know that this piece and that one are also equal to 21. So now I can figure out the total amount of boats in the marina by adding up all of the small pieces. 21 plus 21 plus 21 plus 21, or 21 times 4, which equals 84 boats. Okay, so I know that there are 84 boats in the marina. Oops. So I'm going to write my statement. There are 84 boats in the marina. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Remember, on your homework, try to attempt the problems. If you're having trouble solving them, you didn't get it yet, we can talk about it tomorrow. Bye.